uThenjiwe has to defend her business when uNolita tells umama wasesontweni ukuthi uThenjiwe is running a brothel. Nolita wants to co-own iSpa just because uChuma gave Thenjiwe money. And then uChuma exposes the secret kaVelaphi yase-university. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Sitha the enemy. So uNolita went to church to tell uMabanda ukuthi Mr. Banda was seen no Nelly being causing until they are sleeping together. Mr. Banda goes to a salon to get a massage. Kanti bazofika umama basesontweni bavela bamambusha, and they went on and on ukuthi Thenjiwe no Nelly they are busy sleeping with married men. But baqamba manga bathi they are running a spa, kanti it's a brothel. uThenjiwe wathi yey thina married men sleeping with married men ngeke, please there must be confusion la. But khawubuza umngane wakho, biza umngane wakho uNelly, because she was seen no eGalavanta no Mr. Banda. Athi uNelly and I didn't know that Mr. Banda was married. Animbuzeni, I never slept with him. uNelly then abaleke. And then uThenjiwe goes home, bafika umama abaxoshe uChuma say, hey, this is a family event. Cela nihambe la, this is not the time and the place. And then now Chuma makes it clear ukuthi business yabo. Athi uThenjiwe, excuse me, I thought ungiphi imali kanti clearly it was a loan. I'm the business, and I'm not going to co-own with anyone. Now uNolita also wants to be co-owner just because umyeni wakhe onikeze uThenjiwe imali. Athi there's no way over my dead body you're going to co-own isaluni. Well, don't forget ukuthi uzela ngeinkomo, and we can just get rid of you and get divorced. Athi bheka jonga ke sis, I'm not going anywhere. Like it was just a whole lot of noise. No, Nomsa was like, hey, when coming kancane, please don't involve yourself. No, Chuma tried to speak some sense into Nolita, saying, hi, so pumendleleni mngami. Hi, angayingeni Nolita athi yena nje, she's not breaking down. Uzoba iparty ye-spa, whether uThenjiwe likes it or not. uVelaphi tried to stand up for uma wakhe, athi uChuma awume wena so uyakwazi ukukhuluma nyalo wena Mrs. Dean, because uDean wanted to sleep with uVelaphi, and now he's exposing my secret kaVelaphi ase-university. And then uJafta came to the house looking for Velaphi, because uJafta is now training Velaphi so that he can get rid of his anger. Umamnomza assumed because uJafta is there for her, and then lost it at hey, how humble, I told you ukuthi angufuni la. Kanti Shem, she didn't know it. She didn't know ukuthi uzele uVelaphi. And then Velaphi goes to train with him, trying to get rid of his anger. Amtshela ukuthi if you don't fix yourself, you're going to lose a lot. Like you're going to lose a lot in life, you're going to lose in school. So just xoxoshe man, fix yourself up. And then uMartha got embarrassed emphakathini. uParaboy noNandi demanding their monies, but busy fake celebrity because she can't pay up. She ordered amaplatter kuNandi and didn't pay. Hired uParaboy as a bodyguard and didn't pay. Samthanda Wamzwela went to the company backstage and demanded that they pay uMartha and gave her the money. uMartha was so grateful. Would say thank you for doing this to me for me, because they've been fighting lately. And then they sat together as a family to watch Isho kaMartha on TV. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.